Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now we're in the drive-thru at Starbucks so I can get something to eat this morning. But today's video is going to be a shop with me to Hobby Lobby so that I can buy what I need for Jacob's Halloween costume. So this year Jacob is going to be a little biker boy. He is going to be kind of like a play off of Sons of Anarchy. It's going to be Toddlers of Anarchy, and I found this on Pinterest. I'll go ahead and insert a picture of it right here so y'all can see what it looks like. Now obviously he's not going to be wearing a little biker jacket, or I mean a little biker vest. What I'm going to do is buy a black hoodie, and then I'm going to cut the sleeves off, and then I think I'm going to cut off the hoodie as well. If I don't cut off the hoodie, I'll just tuck it behind him so you don't see it. And then I also need to buy a white t-shirt so I can make the top and bottom rockers of the biker vest. I want to find a Grim Reaper patch, which I'm not too sure if I'll be able to find that at Hobby Lobby. Hopefully I will. And then I also want to find iron-on letters so that I can spell out Toddlers of Anarchy on top and Texas on the bottom. And if I can find a little MC patch, I'll buy that as well. If not, I'll just make one with the iron-on letters. So I still have some time before I get to the ordering window, so I was wondering if you guys have any plans for Halloween. I know a lot of places are not trick-or-treating, or I know if they are trick-or-treating, they're not actually going door to door. I know some people have mentioned leaving out baskets of candy or putting little baggies pre-made out so everyone can just come and grab something. So I was just wondering what y'all are going to be doing. As for us, I think we are going to be, well, I know we're going to be walking around with Jacob. There is a lot of Halloween decor out by my parents' house in their neighborhood. So I think we are just going to walk around and take pictures and show him the different decor that is in people's yards. But to go up to someone's house, I don't think we're going to do that because Jacob's only 12 months old. So obviously he's not going to be eating the candy. The candy will be for me and his dad. So I think just letting him walk around and see the other kids and the Halloween decor is what we're going to be doing. So of course, as soon as I walk into Hobby Lobby, I have to be completely distracted by all of their beautiful pumpkins. I really loved the white pumpkin that said welcome on it in gold foil. I thought that was very beautiful. And I am also excited that they have all of their Christmas decor out. I love all of the gingerbread men, especially this large nutcracker, but unfortunately somebody decided to break his hand. That's one thing that I don't like about Hobby Lobby, is that people go in and they mess up the beautiful decorations. On the next display, they had all these beautiful snowmen. I love this little chilling with my snowmies sign. I have a shirt that says that as well. I do have quite a bit of snowmen in my own collection, and I love, love, love this vintage Santa. I am a huge fan of the Santas as they are depicted in the 1950s and 60s illustrations. I am not a big fan of the cartoony Santas that they have today. And I love this little joy with the deer popping through the wreath. This little guy was $14.99, but all of the Christmas decor is 50% off. So I think $7.99 is a great price for that little guy. So I finally break away from the home decor and I make it into the DIY clothing aisle, and I don't know why, but I was completely surprised to find this aisle. I forgot that Hobby Lobby sells these kinds of items. They have the most adorable little cartoony socks, and I love these hair scrunchies. These are definitely things that you would find at Target for way more than $7.99. I think that is a really good price for these, and the colors are just beautiful. I also found this beautiful rose black purse strap. I couldn't find a price on it. Somebody had removed the tag, but if you guys have like a plain simple black crossbody, that would be a perfect strap to put on it. They also have these adorable little dog bows. I think the brand is Friends Forever. Very, very pretty. And finally, I found the iron-on letter section that I was looking for, and I was really surprised that they had a huge selection of different letters to choose from. So Hobby Lobby had a ton of iron-on patches, as you can see here, but of course they did not have the Grim Reaper, which I'm not surprised. I didn't think that they would, but I really loved both of the USA iron-on patches. I was thinking about getting one of those to put in the middle of his jacket, but Toddlers of Anarchy and then a USA patch wouldn't go together. Another aisle that I found is the puzzle aisle, and I love puzzles. Do you guys love puzzles as well? I go through phases where I just want to sit down and do a puzzle all weekend long. I really love this farmhouse one, but I haven't done a puzzle in a really long time. The last time I did a puzzle was when I was pregnant with Jacob, and all I wanted to do was just sit at the table and do one, and I haven't picked up a puzzle in about well over a year. So anyways, I also ventured into the wrought iron wall art area. I found this beautiful family sign for $46.99, but my husband is not really big on wall art that has wording, so I knew he wouldn't be a fan of this one. Hey guys, so I'm back home. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got for Jacob's costume from Hobby Lobby. I got pretty much everything that I needed except for the black jacket. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up next week. I know I can get that black hoodie jacket from any resale shop or any little kids clothing store, so I'm not worried about that. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got from Hobby Lobby. The first thing I got was this plain white t-shirt. I got it in the 3T size, and this is going to be cut up. I'm going to go ahead and put everything on the back of the shirt, and I'm going to cut it up so I can transfer it onto his little biker vest once I get that done. And I found these embroidered letters. Again, I apologize, it's backwards. One of these days I am going to buy a mirror big enough to put behind my camera so that I can see myself and everything will not be backwards. I just need to give in and buy a mirror. But these are embroidered letters, and it says that they are already pre-cut. You just have to peel and iron on. So I bought 2 packs just so that if something goes wrong, if I run out of what I need, I'll have enough. It is going to say on the top rocker, it's going to say Toddlers of Anarchy. On the bottom rocker, it's going to say Texas. I'm going to make a little MC patch, and then I was wanting to find a Grim Reaper decal, and I had a feeling Hobby Lobby wasn't going to carry one, but I tried anyways. So I asked my parents if I can just print one off at their house, and they said of course. So I'm going to try and look for a Grim Reaper on Google and figure out how to make it into a PDF file and print it off by there. If I can't find one, or if I can't figure out how to do it, then I don't know, we're going to figure out something to put in the middle of his biker vest, but that's for that. The next thing I got was this black fabric marker. My idea for this is after I cut out the patches to put on his jacket, I'm going to go ahead and outline the edges of the white so it'll resemble a patch. These are, like I said, paint markers. They are meant to be used on clothing, so hopefully this will give me the look that I want. And while I was shopping around, you saw me going into like the little wrought iron wall decor aisles, and I found 2 wrought iron wall decor that I wanted to put in my living room. So I texted JJ and asked him what he thought about them, and I was surprised, but he said that he liked them. So I went ahead and I picked them up, and I'll go ahead and show you them right now. They are really long in my opinion. They are 3 feet tall. So yeah, let me show you real quick. So this is what I picked up. I think they are really pretty. As you can see, let me get in closer. It has some distressing on it. The iron obviously looks aged. So I think this is going to look really nice in my living room next to my windows. And if you're curious, these were $45.99 each, but all the iron wall decal was 50% off. So that is all that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my crock pot recipe for tonight. This is what you are going to need for the chicken and dumpling crock pot recipe. I have 1.5 pounds of chicken breast cut into cubes, a can of cream of chicken soup, a can of cream of celery soup, 1 chopped yellow onion, about 2 cups of carrots chopped. This is probably more than 2 cups, but that's fine. 1 cup of water. You're gonna need 14.5 ounces of chicken broth, chicken stock, whatever. Some pepper and some thyme. And you're also going to need the Pillsbury Grand Biscuits. This is not the flaky one, this is just the regular. I did get the buttery one. I don't know if that's gonna be bad for the flavor. The recipe says to use 7, but I went ahead and I cut up all 8, and I just cut each biscuit into 4 pieces. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add everything to the crock pot. I added in the onions and carrots already. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the thyme. If you guys have seen my previous recipes in the past, you know that I do not specifically measure seasonings. I just kind of eyeball it and put in as much as I feel necessary. After the thyme, I'm going to go and add in the black pepper. Next, I'll be adding in the cream of chicken soup, followed by the cream of celery. Next, we need 1 cup of water, followed by 14.5 ounces of chicken broth. And give everything a good mix. Go ahead and seal it up, and you can either cook it on high for 4 hours or on low for 8. Now we do not need the biscuits until after the 4 hours are up. I am doing this on the high for 4 hours. If you want to, you can do it on slow for 8 hours, but it is 1:23 right now, so definitely I'm going to be doing 4 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and put some saran wrap over this and put it in the refrigerator. So it is now 4 hours later, or 8 hours later if you had yours cooking on the low setting. All you're going to do right now is open up your crock pot and get the biscuits ready to put into the pot. You are going to have to take the biscuits, like I said earlier, and cut each biscuit into 4 pieces. And then simply put in each piece of biscuit into the pot until it is all filled up. Once it is filled, you're going to go ahead and add in some more thyme and some pepper. Then go ahead and seal it up. Cook on high for 45 minutes and you'll be all finished. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you don't miss any videos when I upload. And if you guys are returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back every week and watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. I'll see y'all again in a couple of days in another video. Bye!